Want to hard reset your IQOO phone? Remember, this erases all data, so back up first. Some models have FERP lock requiring your Google login after reset. If you're not comfortable with Fastboot, use Settings System Reset Factory Data Reset for an easy, safe option. Let's dive in. Way 1. Factory Reset an IQOO phone via normal mode. Go to Settings System Reset Options, erase all data. Confirm the reset. Enter your PIN or pattern if asked. Google account stays linked. Password needed after reset. Way 2. Hard reset IQOO using recovery mode. Turn off your IQOO phone. Press and hold volume up plus power until Fastboot appears. Select recovery mode. Clear data. Clear all data. Tap OK. Enter your password if asked. Return to the menu. Tap Restart to finish. Way 3. Factory reset IQOO phone via Fastboot mode. Power off IQOO. Enter Fastboot. Vol down plus power. Connect to PC. Use terminal. Fastboot devices. Wipe via recovery. Fastboot reboot. Way 4. Hard reset IQOO phone via Google Find My Device. Use a computer or another phone. Go to Google Find My Device and log in with your Google ID. Select Erase Device. Erase all data. Erase to confirm. Wait for the process to finish. Then power on your IQOO. Way 5. Completely factory reset IQOO phone via Expert Tool. Safe and flexible. If your IQOO phone runs Android and you want a complete, secure reset to boost performance or prepare for resale, use Mobikin Eraser for Android. It permanently wipes all data, ensuring privacy protection. Step 1. Initiate the software download and install this Android Eraser application. On your computer, connect to your IQOO phone using a USB cable and enable USB debugging. If requested, open the software, adhere to the on-screen instructions to recognize your IQOO device and select Erase. Step 2. Select a security level. Select a security level: low level for strong prevention, medium level for media files, high level for personal information. Confirm by clicking Delete and press Erase once more. Step 3. Factory reset your IQOO phone. The tool will conduct a scan and commence the erasure process. To erase system data and settings, perform a factory reset on your IQOO phone by following the prompts and clicking Continue to permanently delete all IQOO data.